Welcome to today's show titled Vegan Vigilance, the Cholesterol Cancer Link. Cholesterol is a waxy substance present in your bloodstream. In the body, it is carried by lipoproteins, which come in two main types: high-density lipoprotein, or HDL, and low-density lipoprotein, or LDL. HDL is often known as good cholesterol because it helps transport cholesterol away from the arteries to the liver for excretion. In contrast, LDL is known as bad cholesterol because it carries cholesterol to the arteries, where it can accumulate and form plaques. Cholesterol is produced by our body and is introduced to our system mainly if we eat animal people-based foods or anything with trans or saturated fats. Imagine someone consuming a high cholesterol piece of steak, unaware that each bite is impacting their heart health. Saturated fat, found in many animal people products like steak and cholesterol, are closely linked. Saturated fat is notorious for raising cholesterol levels, particularly impacting the liver, which then may produce more cholesterol than the body needs. This surplus of cholesterol can clog arteries and lead to cardiovascular disease, making it crucial to understand their connection and potential harms to health. How exactly does this progression to cardiovascular disease occur? When plaques narrow the arteries, the reduced blood flow means that less oxygen and nutrients reach vital organs and tissues. This can lead to several serious health issues. In the heart, reduced blood flow can cause chest pain, known as angina, and if a plaque ruptures, a clot can form, completely blocking the artery and leading to a heart attack. In the brain, reduced or blocked blood flow can cause a stroke, which occurs when brain cells are deprived of oxygen and begin to die. Thus, the difficulty of blood passing through narrowed arteries significantly increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. But the dangers of high cholesterol do not end there. Recent research has unveiled a connection between elevated cholesterol levels and various types of cancer. A 2023 review published in the journal Experimental and Molecular Medicine that synthesizes previous research on the topic states that cholesterol metabolism plays a significant role in tumorigenesis, or the initial formation of a tumor's development, and metastasis, or spread of the tumor to other parts of the body. This article explored how cholesterol affects cell and membrane function, citing evidence that when cells take in cholesterol, it can promote cancer growth. In an article published on the Mayo Clinic's cancer blog, Dr. Dawn Musallam highlights that 97% of Americans do not consume enough fiber. She emphasizes that organizations such as the American Institute for Cancer Research and the American Cancer Society recommend a plant-predominant diet that has an emphasis on whole foods. Supporting this perspective, the American nonprofit, the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, a Shining World Compassion Award laureate, published an article titled "Plant-Based Diets Reduce Cholesterol," which references 30 studies conducted over 43 years, all confirming that vegan diets help achieve optimal cholesterol levels. Additionally, the European Prospective Investigation into Cancer and Nutrition Oxford, or EPIC study, found that individuals following a vegan diet consume the most fiber, the least total and saturated fat, and maintained the healthiest body weight and cholesterol levels compared to other diets. Furthermore, an online article from Vegan Food and Living magazine titled "Preventing and Surviving Cancer with Healthy Lifestyle Habits and a Plant-Based Diet," written by Dr. Shireen Kassam and Dr. Laura Freeman, both vegans, highlights the ease and benefits of adopting a vegan lifestyle. They cite the American Cancer Society Guideline for Diet and Physical Activity for Cancer Prevention paper for the statistic that 40% of cancer cases could be prevented if everyone followed a whole food vegan diet and healthy lifestyle. They also reference a study from the National Library of Medicine, Vegetarian-Vegan Diets and Multiple Health Outcomes, a systematic review with meta-analysis of observational studies, which demonstrates the significant protective effects of high-fiber vegan foods. Doctors Kassam and Freeman explain that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds maximizes the intake of anti-cancer compounds. This type of diet promotes a healthier gut, reduces inflammation and cellular stress, and helps maintain a healthy body weight, all crucial for cancer prevention. They also note that studies show cholesterol, especially LDL cholesterol, only found in animal people-based products, feeds cancer cells. Therefore, a whole food vegan diet helps balance cholesterol levels and reduces cancer risk. There are additional tips that we can simply apply in our daily lives to further improve our health. One such tip is to avoid trans fats, which are a type of unhealthy fat commonly found in processed foods, such as baked goods and fried foods. Trans fats raise levels of the LDL cholesterol while lowering HDL cholesterol, leading to an increased risk of heart disease. By eliminating trans fats from our diet, we can significantly improve our cholesterol profile, thereby reducing our risk of heart disease and other health conditions like cancer. By focusing on vegan whole foods, we can ensure we're getting a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies need to thrive. Such a dietary choice promotes overall well-being, boosts energy levels, and enhances our immune system. So, let's all take a step towards better health by transforming our lifestyles, one delicious, nutritious vegan meal at a time. Together, we can enjoy the benefits of a healthier, more vibrant life. Colorectal cancer, or CRC, is a malignant disease that is becoming more common due to poor lifestyle habits. Factors such as diet, smoking, and alcohol use increase the risk of CRC. Research published in the journal Cancer Discovery identified an alkylating signature, which is a recognizable pattern of DNA damage in colorectal cancer. This signature was associated with red animal people meat consumption and specific mutational patterns and tumor locations. Furthermore, the International Agency for Research on Cancer reviewed 20 years of data from 800 studies in 2015, concluding that consuming animal people meat increases the chance of CRC. A review study published in the 2023 issue of Frontiers in Oncology highlights that cholesterol and its processing in the body can influence the development of cancer, including CRC. Based on evidence that high cholesterol levels are linked to CRC, scientists have researched whether cholesterol-lowering drugs might reduce this risk. However, such drugs like statins have shown mixed effectiveness against cancer because some tumor cells are resistant to them. Furthermore, cholesterol-targeting treatments for CRC often face challenges such as tumor resistance, complex tumor environments, and potential side effects on normal cells, since cholesterol is crucial for many body functions. An article published in the journal Trends in Immunology in 2022 highlights the crucial role of cholesterol in immune function, especially for CD8 plus T cells, which act like the guardians of our immune system. Just as guards need proper equipment to perform their best, these cells rely on cholesterol to function effectively. However, too much cholesterol can exhaust CD8 plus T cells, weakening their ability to fight cancer. To address this, scientists are exploring ways to target cholesterol metabolism for cancer treatment. On the other hand, insufficient cholesterol can deprive these cells of the energy they need, impairing their defense capabilities. Therefore, balancing cholesterol levels is essential for a strong immune response against diseases like cancer. This balance can be achieved through a healthy vegan diet and lifestyle changes. A study published in the journal BMC Medicine analyzed more than 472,000 participants and found that those who did not eat animal people meat or fish persons had a lower risk of all cancers. This study concluded that reduced animal people meat consumption correlated with lessened LDL cholesterol levels and decreased colorectal cancer risk, consistent with previous evidence linking animal people meat intake to adverse health outcomes. Whole vegan foods rich in fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats can effectively lower LDL cholesterol and promote a healthier overall cholesterol balance. Moreover, studies have indicated that vegan diets are correlated with elevated levels of HDL or good cholesterol, further enhancing cardiovascular health. The American Cancer Society states that many studies of vegetarians indicate a lower risk of cancer overall compared to people who also eat meat. Both the World Cancer Research Fund and the American Institute for Cancer Research recommend basing diets around vegan foods such as vegetables, fruit, whole grains, and beans, which are rich in fiber and other nutrients that can reduce cancer risk.